I would recommend this treatment for you if you feel your hair is dry and it's breaking. Just be consistent with this. Secondly, I did not experience any itchy scalp. Usually I will experience itchy scalp when I am on protective style.
Hey guys, so today is day 1 of my Guava water challenge. So I've been seeing Guava leaf for hair growth all over the social media space. I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on YouTube, and I just told myself this will be a perfect hair growth challenge for the year. So here we are today. Today is my day 1, and I'm going to be trying it for 7 days, which at the end of these 7 days, I'm going to take off my protective style and I'm going to give you my review. I'm going to tell you, did it grow my hair? What did I notice? And all that good stuff. So let's get right into the challenge.
Okay, guys, so it's been day 7 already, and I'm actually surprised by the result. First thing I noticed is my hair felt extremely hydrated, like not just soft but properly moisturized from my roots to my tip. My hair did not feel dry or brittle at any points, and this is a plus for me. Secondly, I did not experience any itchy scalp. Usually I will experience itchy scalp when I am on protective style that lasts more than 2 to 3 weeks. But with this guava leaf juice, I did not experience any itchy scalp, which is also a plus. And then I had no breakage when I was combing out my hair after taking out the protective style, which you're going to see at the end of the video. That was a big deal for me because my hair felt stronger and easier to manage. So I'm going to be honest here, I didn't notice any instant crazy hair growth in 7 days, but instead guava leaf helped with moisture retention, scalp health, and it helped in reducing hair breakage, which is what actually leads to the real hair growth over time. So I noticed that it helps with length retention, and when your hair is not breaking, that is when you start seeing hair growth. Honestly, if your problem is dry scalp, itchy scalp, breakage, you feel like your hair is not growing, that is simply because you're not retaining the length that is coming out. So I would recommend this treatment for you if you feel your hair is dry and it's breaking. Just be consistent with this and you're going to see a great result. So I've come to the end of this challenge. I hope you found this helpful. Bye, guys.